Traci. Welcome back to my channel. I'm an international personal stylist, lifestyle expert, and over 50 model. And above all, I'm unapologetically 50. If it's your first time watching my videos or being at my channel, or you haven't done so before, please hit the subscribe button down below so you'll always be up to date on my latest videos, style tips, and tricks. In today's show, I want to be showing you 3 different ways that you can wear looks with combat boots. Now, it's a question I've been getting a lot from ladies lately about if it's possible for us at our age to be able to wear combat boots, and if so, how to do it. So today's show, that's what we'll be talking about. Let's get started. These are my combat boots. They're Dr. Martens. I believe they're called Jade, but I'll leave it in the link down below so you know exactly which ones I'm talking about. This is my first pair of Dr. Martens I've gotten, mainly because the other Dr. Martens that I've tried on before were just so heavy that I thought, I could never ever wear them all day. And that's what I love about these. They are so light, you don't even know you have on a pair of boots. And the other thing that I really liked about them was the sole of these. They're a little bit thicker than the other ones, and as I'm so short, I always like to elongate my look. So these were the perfect height for me, and with them being really light, it just was the perfect mix. So here are my 3 looks that I use with the Dr. Martens. They are really quick, really easy to do. It'll probably take you 3 minutes to throw on something like this, which I also really love. Oh, and another thing about these boots that I love, almost forgot, is the zip on the side. Now this is just, it's not a question of being comfortable or lazy. It's just really fast for me, and I don't have to always worry about the laces coming unlaced. You just zip them up, and when you're done, you zip them, unzip them, and you're ready to go. So here you are. Hope you enjoy the 3 looks. So the first look that I chose with these combat boots is the Maxi dress. I just love this dress. I love the way it hangs on me. I love the fact that it comes in at the waist so it defines my shape a little. And it's just a really easy flowing dress to wear. This dress would also look amazing with sneakers. You could wear it with heels, but this is what I wanted to wear, and this is probably what I'll wear it mostly with, is these combat boots. I love the details on the sides of the slits. Tights underneath, but in the summer I could easily get away without wearing tights underneath. I also added, you could add a biker jacket to this, whatever, but I just wanted to go, I love the purple polka dots on it, so I wanted to match it up with this purple coat. So always remember, ladies, to have fun with this. Combat boots can be edgy, they can be put with classic things. So here you have the classic coat with a pair of combat boots. Hope you like it. So this is a look that you're probably the most familiar with when you think about combat boots. Baggy jeans, a shorter top, or in this case a turtleneck, and a big furry jacket. The reason why I chose this look for me is because I absolutely love high-waisted jeans. They just seem to be a lot more flattering on me. I know that when I try low-rise jeans, I'm not as comfortable in them, so I always usually opt for a higher waisted jean to elongate my look and make me look slimmer here. This little turtleneck that I got it from Zara. It keeps me so warm in the winter, it's not even funny. I absolutely love it. I love the color combo and just how it fits with me. And then over top, of course, we all know that the teddy coat is the big coat of the season. This I also got from Zara. It's a really cool price point. So maybe next season it won't be in style, but that's okay because it wasn't really a huge investment. But it is truly the warmest coat ever. So there you have it, look number 2. The third and final look that I chose today is these black pair of leggings, which are from Calcedonia. I really love them also, not because they're lined, and they keep me a bit warmer in winter when it's kind of cold out. I have this long white shirt, oversized shirt. You can wear your husband's shirt. I just pull it out of my closet. I've got this from Zara. It's really big and comfy, but I also like the look that it gives in the back, and then that kind of French tuck look where you put the front in and you leave your back out. And then I have this bow top, which I also got from Zara, which I just love with it. I love the bow details. I just think it's a really cute look. It's really easy, and this one could take you from day to night without any problem. Add your favorite bag with it. You could put on your leather jacket. You could do almost anything with this look, but I think it's just really simple, easy, it's polished, it's effortless, and you are ready to go with your combat boots. So there you have it, ladies. 3 super simple but super cool looks to put together when wearing your combat boots. If you liked the episode today, please give it a big thumbs up and leave a comment down below. And if you're looking for some more style inspiration, head on over to my Instagram account, which is also in the link down below. So until the next time, I wish you all an amazing day. Thank you for being here, and until the next time, ciao ciao.